Hey guys, Chetna here from Me with a Pencil, and today I'm gonna show you how you can write a single word or two word letter in so many different ways. So this will help you to make a lot of cards, greeting cards, or anything that you want to write on. So here for this I'm using a word thank you, and I have demonstrated like 9 different ways of writing thank you. I'm using a brush pen, a Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip brush pen. You can use any brush pen or a pen or pencil. If you have no idea where to go thick and where to go thin, you can watch my video on for calligraphy and or calligraphy with pencil. I'm linking that to the top right corner of this video. You can go that watch that first and later come and watch this video and try again. This is a real-time video, so it will be easy for you to understand and watch how the letters are formed and how I have made the composition of thank you. And if you have any word or suggestion on any word that I should make a similar kind of a video with writing in different ways, let me know in the comments below, so I'll consider that and maybe I'll make some video on it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be sharing a bonus thing at the end of the video, so make sure that you watch the whole video till the end. So this is the last style of writing thank you. I'm not this is the last style. You can explore more in different ways too. So as I said, I'll be giving a bonus. So the sheet that I have written, you'll be getting a free downloadable of this sheet in the caption below. The link is in the caption, so make sure to download and practice. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. As I said, that if you have any idea or what kind of video you want me to share, or you have any calligraphy doubt or anything, let me know in the comments so I can work around it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.